Okay, again, like we needed to worry about with lists and so forth, is we need to worry about when we make copies that we really make a copy and not just another name for the same dictionary. So here they've said opposites, and they've got up, down, right, wrong, yes, no. And then they do two different things. So here's a naive attempt at copying this alias equals opposites. But we'll see that what happens is it just gives opposites another name, alias. And so if we do anything to alias, it also changes opposites, or vice versa. If we do anything to opposites, it would change alias. So what you really want to do to make an actual copy that is independent of the original dictionary is you need to use this copy method. And so here they just show these. I'll go here, scroll down to ours. So here's the opposites, and here's the alias. So in other words, it's going to be actually that exact same dictionary. If I change either one of these, alias or opposites, it will change the other. And then copy, where I actually made a copy, if I change copy, it will not change opposites, or alias for that matter. So here, after I've done that, I'm going to say alias with the right key. Now for the value is going to say left. Okay, and if I print those, both alias and opposites, we're going to see that we get left for both of those. However, when I change copy of the key right to the, give it the new value privilege, so it'll be right and privilege. Now I'm not sure that's an opposite. I would say right and privilege. Well, I guess no. I don't know if I'd quite go with opposites there, but if I have a right to do something, then I'd get to do it sort of no matter what. But if it's a privilege, well, typically you have to earn that privilege. You don't just have the right to do it. So I don't know that I would quite go with opposites, but we'll see that nonetheless it will have changed the copy value for right, but not the opposites. So if I run this, whoops, forgot to, okay. So we see those first two were both left, but now copy, when I change that I get privilege, but opposites is still left. It didn't get changed. Okay, so that's just, difference between copying and aliasing. Again, typically you don't want to alias. Maybe sometimes you do, but typically if you're really trying to change things, you probably want to make a copy. Okay, well, that one's done.